ndio at least tujue kama haikuwa hasara yenu pia.
Jatan page William Ruto, jatan migepe Musalia Mudavadi gin moko kuom welo 1,100 ma igeno nyasi mar nyiso kido kod timbe oganda jo Maasai. Oganda Maasai oserito kitgi kendo miyo huma nyaka e pinje maoko. Ma jopinygi siko timo limbe Kenya kod siso maneno kit jo Maasai. Nyasi mar nyiso kit oganda no ichano tim e kaunti ma Narok. E nyasi no ibiro yangi jodusruok ma biro rieny e nyiso kit jo Maasai. Chenro mamoko oriwo wer, tuke kod nyiso yedhe manyaluo mayudore e alworano. Jatelo mochung'ne chenro no wacho ni ikruok ni kare kendo gigeno yuto malong'o e nyasi no.
We are actually expecting more than 30,000 people and even to 100,000 people. This is because everyone loves culture. Everyone has actually taken this thing seriously. And we are actually going to showcase many activities, as I said. One of them, we want to make sure that we get Mr. and Miss Culture, someone that can be able to represent us as the Maasai, because we love our culture. We are also going to have modeling. We will have such ladies that are going to present us, to make sure that they represent us out there. We are also going to have of course, our delicacies, that is nyama choma. We have also the Maasai soup. We have the Maasai medicine.
Tuko na vijana wengi hapa ambao wanaweza kuiruka, wanaweza kucheza mpira wa volleyball, wanaweza kucheza rugby, wanaweza kucheza mpira pia wa mguu. Ni pia watambulike. Come and see more talent out here. Maana watu wengi hapa, they are not exposed to go out there. Na pia wanaweza kuiruka vizuri, wanaweza kucheza mpira. Tuko na talanta mingi sana mahali hapa.